They look like they back here shifting cement, and I'm driving in here like I work here. It's really cool in here, y'all. Keep clarity, keep peace, protect your peace, protect your energy, protect that, because some people that come around you, they love you and they'll drain you. All over the place, and I'm a little oily, but I'm a little oily. I felt like them kids in the movies. But anyways, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we finna hurry up, head out the door, because we finna drive to St. Pete to go to a museum. I want to take y'all with me to a museum. It's like an immersive experience. It's my first time going. I've never been to this, so I just want to take y'all with me. I'm going by myself, so really I'm not going by myself because y'all with me. But let's show y'all the outfits for today. So this dress, of course, y'all guessed it, Fashion Nova. Okay, I got this dress in like 2 different designs, but this is just the dress, nice and flowy. Here's the back. They got this little cutout right here. Can y'all see it? They got this little sheer little cutout and stuff. It's a little long. Oh, and the shoes I'm gonna put on, I'm throwing it off with some red sandals. You know, you just gotta go that pop of color. But we finna head out the door and get on the road because I already ordered the tickets online, and it's like, I don't know how far I am. I think I'm like 40 something minutes away. So we finna go ahead, head out the door, and get there. Meet y'all in the car. Maybe. You can't even see me. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call, that you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you're gonna give it what you need. Waste your time. You could have all the space. All you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. I just got here and this is so interesting. The way this building looks, boy, I would have thought I was pulling into like industrial building that I'm not supposed to be at, where they're like crushing metal or something. Yeah, but it's very interesting. Let me straighten up. By the way, y'all, if y'all watched my last video talking about the update on, what is that, my Q&A video? About the update on this back window back here, y'all, they didn't send the money yet to repair it. So I can see, but I can't like see, but I'm straight. So the sun is like out. But anyways, y'all, we reached the museum. I brought my tripod. Look at my necklace. I brought my tripod just in case, because I'm here alone and it's like an immersive museum type of thing, and I might want to take pictures and stuff, and I don't want to keep asking every person in every other room,
I'm here by myself, can you take a picture for me?
I got my own tripod. I'm gonna just whip it out, make it as tall as I need, and take the picture and keep it moving. I do that. So I'm actually very excited. I bought my ticket online. I bought it for 3 o'clock, but I'm here dirt early. I thought it was going to be a longer drive, but it says 3 o'clock. Let me make sure. I got my iPad playing because I wanted some to connect. I wanted to connect some music to listen to. Whew. So that's why. But let me see what time I'm scheduled for my one. I think I can go in there at any time, but just in case, let me go by what my ticket says. It says, please arrive at the ticket desk 10 minutes prior to your ticketed time. So yeah, where's my ticketed time? Oh, it's at 2. I'm for 2. I thought it was 3. Okay, so I'm for 2 p.m. I'm here. It's 1:24, basically 1:30, so I'm like 30 minutes early. So it says, please arrive at the ticket desk 10 minutes prior to your ticketed time. The average guest spends between basically 60 to 90 minutes exploring Fairgrounds St. Pete. This is gonna be so cool, y'all. For safety consideration, I'm looking to see if there's like anything with recording or like tripods or anything. For the safety and consideration of both guests and our exhibits, strollers are not allowed in the experience. So if they don't allow strollers, I don't think they're going to allow tripods. And it says photos and videos are encouraged for personal use only. Tag us, okay, at Fairgrounds St. Pete and use, okay, they got the hashtag and stuff. Hashtag Fairgrounds St. Pete. And then it says, please note that action cameras, tripods, photography gear, extra license selfie sticks are strictly prohibited. So I can't bring my tripod in there. Good thing I read this. So I could just bring my my camera. So I'll just like walk with y'all and show y'all like the different exhibits. They got, it says food and beverage are not allowed inside, so I can't take my water bottle in there. We want to keep the art exhibit safe and clean for future visits. Okay, so we learned I cannot bring my tripod. So, but I am 30 minutes early, and it says arrive 10 minutes at the ticket booth before your time. So like 1:50, I gotta be up there by. So it's 1:25. So let's talk. I just wanna make sure that, you know, y'all are, the year just started, it's 2022, and I just want to make sure that y'all are aware. Sorry if I'm greasy, but you know, to keep pushing. If there's anything that's stopping you or holding you back or anything of that sort, just keep pushing, okay? Sometimes some inconveniences, some distractions, some people that's going through their own stuff and try to place blame on anything or anybody else except themselves, because it's hard for people to take accountability. Just keep it moving and keep it pushing and keep your goals in mind and just keep moving forward. Where are my rings? I don't know, and my hands are ashy, but anyways. I don't know, that's just on my heart and on my chest today. It's just keep moving and keep pushing forward no matter what, okay? Keep your goals number one. You can work on other business ventures or anything with friends and what have you, but as long as you keep that, you know, just keep yourself first, okay? Keep your goals first, because at the end of the day, when something don't work out between you and the next person, or that person neglects you or whatever, the only thing you have at that point is whatever you worked on. You know what I'm saying? Any goals that you worked on, and because you done set them back or put them to the side to help work with this person and so, now that they just completely neglected you, didn't even do their part or whatever have you, now you like, oh my goodness, I could have been so far along in what I'm doing, but I stopped trying to help them. So all I want to say, I don't know who I'm saying this to, but it's on my chest. Just keep going, keep pushing, and keep a clear head, keep clarity, keep peace. Do what makes you happy. Do what keeps you in a safe place. Do what keeps your head on good shoulders. You know what I'm saying? Things can distract you. Things can be an inconvenience. People, and sometimes it be the people you wouldn't even expect, you most cared about, whatever, keep it moving, because at the end of the day, people are people. They have their own journeys, their own stresses, and anything. Keep pushing. What you put out in the universe will come back to you, okay? Keep positive energy. Keep a positive aura around you. Do not, don't be taking on everybody else's negativity. When they come, okay, I have this thing, right? And I picked up that I started doing this. When people are like, when somebody comes and they're telling me something, like, I'll listen when people are complaining or whatnot about whatever has them in that moment. I'll listen. But the only thing I listen for is if you complaining about something and it sounds like,
nah, I can't do this and I can't do that, or and now I'm sitting back, or I can't.
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear whatever you're complaining about. I don't want to hear it, because you're limiting yourself mentally, and I don't want that energy on me. You know what I'm saying? So, but if somebody is coming to me and they're venting about something, but at the end of the day, they say
everything, but I know everything gonna be all right. Everything gonna work out.
I'll listen to that, because you have faith and you know everything's gonna be okay. It's just momentary. That is what it is. It's momentary. Whatever you're going through, it's only for the moment. Just thug it out, stick it through, and don't give in or give up on your goals, on your aspirations, on anything that you got going on this year that you started. It's so easy to start, but it's so much harder to keep going. So that's the thing. I don't know why that was on my chest, but it was on my chest, and I'm glad that I'm able to share that with y'all, and then we can go into this museum and just enjoy some art. It is Sunday, y'all, so I worked out. This is my rest day. I'm chilling. My mama come back in town today, so I'm pretty much very happy. I'm feeling really good. It's a good day today. You gotta get back on track before the work week starts back up. So yes, y'all, moral of the story, all you need to do is keep your goals, your aspirations, and your vision clear. Keep clarity, keep peace, protect your peace, protect your energy, protect that, because some people that come around you, they love your energy and they'll drain you. Anything that's draining you, I need you to acknowledge it. No matter how much you like to be around this person, how much you care about this person, if they are draining you, you need to acknowledge that, and protect, okay? You need to do what you need to do to keep yourself right. So that's all I'm saying. I don't know why I went on this little rant, but the rant, it's much needed, because things can take a twist or a turn when everything's going so right, and then all of a sudden stuff hits the fan and somebody is trying to find some way to place blame on anything else but take accountability. Accountability is everything, and that's something that must happen in an individual in order to grow. If somebody is not trying to take self-accountability for something, whatever, when it's clearly self-accountability involved here, then you got to leave that to that person. Just let them have that, and you keep it moving, you keep it pushing, because and it takes so much energy not to take self-accountability and keep up this imaginary, this thing did it, or this person did it, or if it wasn't for this or this or that or that. It's so much easier to just take accountability, be like, you know what, okay, it didn't work this time because I did this. Next time I won't, let's do it next time. And another thing is, do not get talking confused with action, okay? If somebody is continually saying, oh, we're gonna do this and this and this and this, or I'm gonna do this and this and this and this. Okay, this time for real, I'm gonna do this and this and this and this. Okay, well, I hear you, but I'm watching you, okay? You gotta keep yourself accountable, and you gotta put yourself first. Now, you can't be trying to make sure this person do what they need to do in order for them to accomplish whatever they want to accomplish. That's them, okay? If they can't hold themselves accountable and complete whatever task they keep talking about they want to do and stuff like that, you can't do it for them. They have to do that for themselves. So that's what we're gonna end that off on. Before we go in this weird looking museum, y'all, I'm so excited. It looks so weird. It looks so industrial. That's why when I drove in here, I was like, am I coming in like a metal thing? They look like they back here shifting cement, and I'm driving in here like I work here. So, but when you come all the way to the back, it says, you know, like the Florida, not the Florida, the St. Pete Fairgrounds, and you follow here, come here, your adventures this way. And then I'm like, oh, okay, it's in there. All right, because I was gonna be like, what the fuck? So yeah, I'm actually very excited about this. This is a great way to end off the, you know, the coming in of the new year and getting ready to get back, well, in the work week. I already been back on working on my goals and whatnot. I'm already about to take index card off of my vision board, so that is a plus, okay? So I'm very excited about that. So I'm already like working on, you know, future things, building assets. That's number one, building assets. I'm already working on that. So, you know, but you have to spend money to make money. So I have to go back to work. And this coming in week, and my work is very flexible. It's very flexible. So, but anyways, I'm pretty excited about this. So what time is it? Okay, it's 34. I talked for 10 minutes straight. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna see. I can't bring my tripod in there, so somebody gonna have to take a picture if I want to take a picture. But I'm gonna vlog it and show y'all. Hopefully they don't be like, okay, you taking the camera too much. Don't y'all want publicity? Oh,
baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no.
it's really cool in here, y'all. Really cool.
When you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous.
Yeah, that was really cool. That was a very cool experience. I wish I saw somebody with some photography stuff in there. Girl, I was like, I could have brought my tripod, because they had like a bunch of photo places where you could take photos and stuff, but it's hot. It's hot. They had a bunch of areas where you could take photos in there, but because I didn't have my tripod, I couldn't take no pictures, and because I'm in there by myself. So even when I wanted to even when I was trying to set up my phone and put the timer on the camera so I can hurry up and take a picture, people kept filing in and they didn't see my phone right there, and they didn't see me trying to take a picture. So I was just like, this is gonna be a hassle. I'm trying to get some pictures, but I can't. So, but I did get to film it for y'all, and I did have a great time. So I'm finna head back to the house. Should I get some food? What I got to cook at home? I have stuff to cook at home. I don't want to keep eating on the street. So I'm finna head back to the house because I do have work to do. Even though it's a chill Sunday, I do have work to do. So I'm gonna go back to the house and we're going to end this video. Am I going to end this video right here? No, I'm not. See y'all back at the house. Maybe. See y'all at some point.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go.
We're him. Now, guess what, you all? Didn't I mention my that hold on, let me get myself together. I mentioned that repair that, take my bag off. I mentioned that my back windshield is about they're paying for my back windshield to get repaired because when they were delivering my sectional, they had cracked my back windshield. So I don't want to show y'all my mail, like my address, but y'all, they sent me the repair cash, okay? So I gotta schedule that so I can get my back window fixed. But guess what? My back tire it keeps going flat. I put air in it yesterday, so it gotta be a hole in it, and I have a spare tire in my trunk. So guess what we finna learn how to do today? We finna learn how to change a tire. So I'm finna change out of this dress, go downstairs. Wait, first watch a YouTube video on how to change a spare tire. Cause I'm pretty smart, Should be like 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna get this tire changed because I gotta go to work in the morning, so yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. In the cafe, murder, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that work. When you walk out, when the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done.
Look at me. Y'all, my lash, they gone. My lashes is gone. Y'all just seen I did a maintenance video, but that's besides the point. We'll get into that. Look at my hands, y'all. Hold on. Look at my hands. But I'm so proud of myself. My edges is gone. They sweated out, but I'm proud of myself. I didn't think this was going to happen today, you know? So I'm happy I could take y'all along the journey of changing attire for the first time. That's crazy. You know, some women, their father taught them how to change attire. Me, mine did not. So I had learned on my own. I watched one YouTube video. I kind of got the gist of it. Y'all saw in the little time lapse. I'm trying not to touch nothing because y'all see a lot of the stuff in my house is like cream and white. So yeah, it's off-white, and yeah, apartment tour coming soon. But y'all, if you don't know how to change a tire, change a tire. But if you don't want to get your nails messed up, honey, my nails are trash. So it's another maintenance vlog coming very soon because my nails, they're done. After that tire change, I felt it when it started scratching my nail. So it's over for my nails. But I'm happy that I changed my first tire and we handled that. And my back window is about to be repaired, y'all, from them damaging my back window. So very happy. So we're going to end the vlog off right there. Great way to end the vlog. I did not expect that to happen, but I took y'all along with me, of course. But it's a great way to end the vlog. So I'm going to see y'all for Rant's Rant, and I might got something in store. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you like, comment, and again, subscribe. See y'all on Friday.